Ingredients: 300-gram pasta, such as fettuccine or spaghetti. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 cloves. Garlic minced. 1 cup cooking cream. 1/2 cup tomato sauce. 1/4 cup tomato paste. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, such as thyme or oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Fresh basil leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook the pasta. In a large pot of salted boiling water, cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. We'll prepare the sauce. In a large pan, heat the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and saute until golden and fragrant. Add the tomato sauce and tomato paste along with the Italian seasoning. Stir to combine. Pour in the cream and continue stirring until the sauce thickens and becomes creamy. Bati, season with salt and pepper to taste. Number 3. Combine the pasta with the sauce. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce and toss well to coat the pasta evenly with the creamy sauce. If you like, sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese over the pasta. Now, 4. Serve. Plate the pasta and garnish with fresh basil leaves. 4. You can add extra cheese if you prefer. Tip: you can also add grilled chicken, mushrooms, or roasted vegetables for extra flavor. Enjoy your delicious pasta rosé.